K.T. K. Semi-Vitreous Porce Ewer and Basin. An ewer and basin is a pitcher ewer and bowl basin set, historically used for personal washing in bedrooms before indoor plumbing, and today often found in churches for religious ceremonies like foot washing or baptism, symbolizing service and purity. These sets, made from precious metals or pottery, served as both practical items and status symbols, displayed in grand homes or used for rituals in sacred settings, with the ewer pouring water into the basin for hand-foot washing. Historical and domestic use. Personal hygiene. In homes without running water, families used ewers and basins for daily washing, often kept on a washstand in the bedroom. Status symbol. Elaborate silver or gilt sets indicated wealth, while simpler pewter or brass sets were for less affluent households. Banquets. Used during meals for guests to wash hands. Religious use. Liturgical. Baptism. Used to hold water for blessing or pouring into the font. Maundy Thursday. For washing of feet, symbolizing Christ's servant ministry. Priestly washing. For the ceremonial washing of priests' hands during Mass. Materials and styles. Materials. Silver, gold, pewter, brass, porcelain, pottery like maiolica. Styles. Ranged from ornate rococo, shell-like, to simpler functional designs, sometimes featuring enameled plaques or engravings. K.T. K. Semi-Vitreous Porce Ewer and Basin. Company name. The initials K.T. K. Company stand for Knowles, Taylor and Knowles Company, with company added after they incorporated in 1891. Material. The semi-vitreous porcelain designation indicates a durable, everyday type of china, a form of ironstone. Date range. This specific mark, which features an eagle in the center of a medallion and a decorative top section, was in circulation as early as 1879 and used prior to 1904. Production. K.T. K. was one of the largest potteries in the United States at the turn of the 20th century, producing a wide range of wares including dinnerware and hotel china. Antique Knowles, Taylor and Knowles cream and gold semi-vitreous porcelain pitcher and bowl. Bowl is 16 inches dx 4-1/2, tall and pitcher is 12 inches tall. The initials K.T. and K stand for Knowles, Taylor and Knowles Company, a prominent American pottery manufacturer based in East Liverpool, Ohio. Company history. Founding. The company was founded by Isaac W. Knowles in 1854. Partnership. The name officially became Knowles, Taylor and Knowles in 1870 when Isaac's son, Homer Knowles, and son-in-law, John Taylor, joined the business. Production. They produced a wide range of ceramic goods, including ironstone, semi-vitreous dinnerware, like your set, and the highly regarded, translucent lotus ware. Largest manufacturer. By the 1880s, K.T. K was a leading pottery maker and became the largest manufacturer of white granite ware in the United States. Closure. The company merged with the American Ceramic Corporation in 1928 and ultimately closed in 1934 due to the Great Depression. Your wash set. The wash basin and pitcher set is made of semi-vitreous porcelain and likely dates to the late 19th or early 20th century, probably between 1885 and 1904 based on common marks used during that period. Sets in excellent condition can have a resale value in the range of $150 to $250 USD, depending on the exact pattern and market conditions. Provence. Form the estate of William B. Strong. Mr. William B. Strong, Germantown, Tennessee, 381393508. NRHS. National Railway Historical Society. Mailing address. Memphis Chapter NRHS 2235 Coachman's Road, Germantown, Tennessee, 38138. Officials. President. Terry Rediker. Secretary. Thomas Doherty. Treasurer. Thomas Doherty. National Representative. William B. Strong. Membership Chair. Thomas Doherty. Search genealogy records for definitive information. William Barstow Strong, May 16, 1837 to August 3, 1914, served as president of the Atchison, Topeka and Santa Fe Railway from 1881 to 1889. He is often referred to as either William B. Strong or W. B. Strong. Yes, Basins and ewers, wash basins with pitchers, were common in sleeping cars and some private rooms on trains like the Illinois Central City of New Orleans during the 1950s and 1960s, providing private washing facilities before widespread in-room bathrooms, though they were phased out as modern facilities became standard, especially with Amtrak's takeover in 1971. Details on basin and ewer use. Location: found in Pullman roomettes, bedrooms, and sometimes in deluxe coach seats. Function: passengers would fill the ewer pitcher with water from a nearby tap and pour it into the basin for washing, often using towels provided in the compartment. Era: this was standard for long-distance luxury and overnight trains through the mid-20th century. Transition to modern amenities. By the late 1960s and early 1970s, many railroads were upgrading to more modern private restrooms within sleeper cars, and the basin's ewers were becoming obsolete. When Amtrak took over in 1971, they streamlined services, and while some older cars retained them initially, the trend was towards full private bathrooms in sleeping accommodations.